Hello everyone, welcome back to this video. So in this video we will try to talk some of the impacts of global warming in our world. So I think most of you watching the video know the basics about what is global warming. So like a conversation, we will try to know about global warming in this video. So this is a basic video, so if you know about it, then I highly suggest you to save your time. But if you like the conversation and if you want to know about global warming, so be stay and watch the video till end. So what is global warming? So normally we can say that whenever the whenever the normal temperature it rises up, or the temperature it becomes extreme, so during that time what happens? The variations on the temperature it occurs. So this is global warming. Now due to global warming, a lot of things are happening. Now if we talk about the polar regions, then the ice are melting. Now you are thinking, then the ice are melting on the polar regions, then what problems we are facing here? So the problem is that you know that in the polar region the area is covered by ice. If the temperature will increase, then automatically that ice will melt, and after the ice will melt, then what will happen? The ice will convert into water, and ultimately if more ice with in a huge amount, if it start melting, then automatically the sea level will rise. If the sea level will rise, what will happen? The coastal region will submerge. If we talk about India, most of the part are surrounded by seas. If we talk about Tamil Nadu, if we talk about Kerala, if we talk about Karnataka or Andhra Pradesh, these are the states which are sharing its boundary with oceans. Now the bank of that, the coastal regions of that states will automatically submerge. Or if we talk about islands like Andaman Island, Nicobar Island, these all islands will be emerged by water. This is one of the problem of global warming. Okay, so this will happen. Now if people are living in mainland or in center of the country, or not in the coastal areas, then what problem they will face? First problem that they will face is the rise in temperature. Due to the rise in temperature, what will happen? The condition will it will be very wet. Now you know exactly why global warming happens. Global warming happens because of the pollution also. Now if we cut the trees, if deforestation takes place extremely in a huge number, if the trees are being cut, then definitely there will be less number of trees. And if there will be less number of trees, then what will happen is that automatically the level of oxygen will decrease, and due to that carbon dioxide will be more, and due to the more release of carbon dioxide, definitely the temperature will become extreme. This is one of the problem. How you are trying to grab what I am trying to explain you. This is one of the problems. Basically in this video I am talking like a conversation, so ignore the way I am talking. This was one of the problem, and there are a lot of problems. Pollution will increase. If the trees are being cut, then automatically if deforestation will take place in a huge number, then definitely people will die from different diseases. Different deadly diseases will birth, like the diseases, like the virus which was taken. But now let us try to know why the global warming is happening. So number one, excessive use of fossil fuels like petroleum or diesel. So why this is happening? Number one, the number of the cars are increasing. If the number of vehicles, motor vehicles, is increased, then definitely to run these vehicles, petrols, diesel needed. If this petrol and diesel, if it extensively if it used, then automatically it will make pollution. It will make pollution. And if the level of the pollution increase, then definitely it gives birth to global warming. This is one point to be noted. Secondly is that we use air conditioner, we use refrigerator. So in this air conditioner or refrigerator, CFC, which stands for chlorofluorocarbon, it is present. Now if we extensively use these items like AC and refrigerator, or we can say in normal word fridge, then CFC, due to the presence of CFC, it will directly impact the ozone layer. Our Earth ozone layer, it is a special layer of atmosphere which protect us from harmful UV rays. Now if this ozone layer it get damaged, then easily the UV rays will enters passing through the holes of the ozone layer, and if it falls on our skin, then we may fall in deadliest diseases like skin cancer, or the crops may get damaged. This is second problem, extensive use of CFC. Now deforestation. Thirdly, deforestation, it is of course that we must should increase afforestation, we must should decrease deforestation, and if it is of what we call cleanliness, then definitely we should avoid using plastics. If we minimize the use of plastics, or if we increase the use of biodegradable polybags, then definitely it will be very useful for us, because we will eco-friendly balance all the things. Number one is that we will use polybags, but we will use biodegradable, as biodegradable it is not harmful to the environment. In this way we can conclude that we can save our environment, and due to the extensive global warming, today we are facing a lot of problem. But I hope that if we follow some of the rules and regulations which are with the favor, which are can be taken as a tips and tricks, by this we can minimize the level of pollution, or we can our environment from this harmful condition. So here I'm going to end the video. So if you like, do a subscribe.